Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the next topic of chapter 13, that is sound. In previous video, you have read about the human ear, and in human ear you have read about the structure of human ear, and you have seen that human ear contains three parts. First is outer ear, second is middle ear, and third is inner ear. Now I will discuss about the next topic, that is amplitude, time period, frequency of a vibration. It means this is the term related with साउंड. कौन से टर्म साउंड से रिलेटेड होते हैं? मीन्स व्हाट इज एम्पलीट्यूड, व्हाट इज टाइम पीरियड, एंड व्हाट इज फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ अ वाइब्रेशन. इन क्लास 7 you have read about the simple pendulum, and in simple pendulum you know that a bob is a fixed with a rigid base, that is bob, and the whole structure is called simple pendulum. Simple pendulum, and a simple pendulum is consist of a small metal ball which is called bob, suspended by long thread from a rigid support such that the bob to free to swing back and forth. मतलब सिंपल पेंडुलम के अरेंजमेंट में एक मेटेलिक बॉब को किसी रिजिड सरफेस से फिक्स करते हैं ताकि ये मूव करने के लिए अपने मीन पोजीशन, दैट इज मीन पोजीशन के बोथ साइड मूव करने के लिए क्या हो, फ्री. सो इट इज अ सिंपल पेंडुलम. Then first I will discuss about the amplitude. The maximum displacement of the bob from its mean position on either side is called amplitude of pendulum. Here you see in this figure, it is a simple pendulum. This is a metallic ball which is called bob. So the maximum displacement of the bob, suppose that bob को हम यहाँ से उठा करके और पोजीशन B पे ला रहे हैं. ये पोजीशन A है और पोजीशन B पे लाएंगे, और इसके बाद जब छोड़ देंगे तो जितना इस बॉब में डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ पेंडुलम. सो amplitude of a pendulum is the maximum displacement of the bob from its mean position, means from C position on either side is called amplitude of pendulum. The next term is time period. The time taken by the bob of a pendulum to complete one oscillation is called time period of the bob. It means in simple pendulum it is a bob. So to complete one oscillation, suppose that it is the bob which is at position A, B and C. So इस बॉब को जब हम उठा करके यहाँ करेंगे तो जो टाइम लगेगा एक ऑसिलेशन कंप्लीट करने में, दैट इज कॉल्ड टाइम पीरियड ऑफ बॉब or the time taken by the bob of a pendulum to complete one oscillation is called time period of the pendulum. Third term related with sound vibration, that is frequency. The number of complete oscillation made by a simple pendulum in 1 second is called frequency. मतलब जो सिंपल पेंडुलम में ऑसिलेशन होंगे तो नंबर ऑफ कंप्लीट ऑसिलेशन मेड बाय अ सिंपल पेंडुलम इन 1 सेकेंड, 1 सेकेंड में कितने ऑसिलेशंस होंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ दैट वाइब्रेटिंग बॉडी और pendulum. And the unit of frequency is hertz, which is represented by capital H and Z. So it is all about the term related with sound vibration, or in this topic we have read about the amplitude, time period and frequency. There is application of these terms, that is amplitude, frequency and time period in sound. According to frequency and amplitude, the loudness of a sound is decided. Means कोई साउंड कितनी लाउड है या फिर कितनी ज़्यादा लाउड है या फिर कितना कम लाउड है, इट इज डिपेंड अपॉन द एम्पलीट्यूड. अब द लाउडनेस ऑफ द साउंड इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ एम्पलीट्यूड. मतलब जो रिलेशन है आपका एम्पलीट्यूड का लाउडनेस ऑफ साउंड से, इट इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ द एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ द वाइब्रेशन. It means we can say in short, loudness is directly proportional to square of amplitude. अब suppose that if the amplitude of a sound is 2, then what will be the loudness? Then square of amplitude, that is 4. So if the amplitude is 2, then loudness of sound become 4 times, because the relation between the loudness and amplitude is the loudness of the sound is proportional to the square of the amplitude of vibration producing by the sound. And the loudness of a sound is expressed in terms of decibel. In short, decibel is called D and B. You will write the unit of sounds in this way, in which the first letter D is small and the second letter, that is B, is capital letter. So there are some facts about the unit of sound. It means the normal breathing, what will be the loudness of the sound? 10 decibel. There is some value of sound, loudness of the sound. In normal breathing, the loudness of the sound is 10 decibel. Soft whisper means कानाफूसी के लिए 5 मीटर डिस्टेंस तक 30 डेसिबल लाउडनेस होगी. नॉर्मल कन्वर्सेशन मतलब कॉमन बातचीत में 60 डेसिबल होती है. बिजी ट्रैफिक जब होगा then the loudness of sound is 70 decibel and average factory, मतलब फैक्ट्री से जो नॉइज पोल्यूशन होते हैं या जो साउंड जनरेट होती है 80 डेसिबल तक की होती है। तो यहाँ पे आपने देखे कि व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द एम्पलीट्यूड एंड लाउडनेस ऑफ द साउंड। लाउडनेस ऑफ द साउंड इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ द एम्पलीट्यूड। So it is all about the term related with sound, that is amplitude, time period and frequency of a vibration. Thank you.